Now let's talk about how we define a navigation stack. So inside of our app.js file, we recall that this is the entry point of our application. What we can do is we can first create a stack navigator using this create stack navigator function that comes with React Navigation. We declare this up top because it's a global variable of sorts. We've just declared it up here, and we're going to use that down here. What this function does is it returns a screen and a navigator component within this object. In order to use React Navigation within our application as a whole, what we need to do is we need to wrap the entire application inside of a navigation container. This is a component that manages our navigation tree, and it also contains navigation state. Now, inside of this navigation container, we can include navigators. And so in this case, we have this stack navigator here. We've just called it stack. And you can see we have the navigator is just defined with this outer layer, and we say stack.navigator, and then inside of that navigator, we can define screens. So we have stack.screen, and here we're defining what the screen actually looks like. And so every screen consists of some name that we assign to that screen. We want to keep this name unique. And we also have a component. And this component defines what the actual application is going to look like. What component is going to be rendered when we actually go to this screen. So in this case, we just have the home screen. And so that component is going to be rendered